Hey guys, today we're making the ultimate Kachay Gosht Ki Biryani, a dish so good it deserves its own fan club. Let's dive into this layered masterpiece. Step 1. We're brewing up a pot of magic water. Add salt, mint, coriander, chopped onions, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, and every whole spice you can name. Clove, cinnamon, cardamom, big cardamom, star anise, and bay leaf. It's basically a spa day. Now, the star of the show, the chicken. Give it a royal treatment with ginger garlic green chili paste, lemon juice, red chili powder, turmeric, garam masala, cumin, coriander powder, black pepper, fried onions, and fresh onions. Then add some mint, coriander, oil, ghee, and curd. Oh, and don't forget the rose and kewra water for the fancy touch. It's like perfume for your biryani. Mix it all together and let it marinate for an hour. Next up, the secret sauce, or should I say jhool. Melt some butter, infuse it with saffron, then stir in milk and cream. It's rich, it's golden, and it's the fairy dust for this recipe. Now comes the layering. Pro tip, this is where the magic happens. First, add a layer of 25% cooked rice, then 50%, and finally 75%. Each layer gets a drizzle of jhool, fried onions, fresh herbs, and ghee. It's like building a rice skyscraper but tastier. Seal the pot tight, trap the steam with some dough, and let it cook on low heat. You know it's ready when your kitchen smells like biryani heaven. Moment of truth. Open the lid and behold the layers of perfectly cooked biryani. Each grain of rice is fluffy, each piece of chicken is juicy, and each bite is packed with flavor. Serve it hot. If you love this recipe, hit like and share it with your biryani buddies, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye!